accidentally came across a quick and easy way how to do my eyebrows. Now, I told you guys the other day that I was growing them out. Yeah, I went ahead and I got them shaped up because I had an event to go to. So I had to go on a little bit better than how I was going on with my eyebrows, you know? So I had to get them fixed up a little bit. I didn't take out much, but I did this face, and now it will be in another video. I don't know if I'm gonna, yeah, it will be in another video. So I'll go ahead and put it up here. I don't know which side, but I'll go ahead and link the video for you to show you how I got my how I got this face. Now I came on here just like this because this is actually how I was gonna walk out the hotel room with my face looking. I completely forgot about brows after I did all of this, if you can believe that. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this quick and easy way how I got the brow together by only using pretty much any brow mascara and a brow powder. Pretty quick and easy, straight to the point. Alright, of course you're gonna need a little brow brush. Let me put it down. Of course you're gonna need a little spoolie and a little slanted brow brush like this, and any other angled brush to clean up. Alright, so let me just go ahead and show you. It's pretty quick and simple. There's nothing to it. So pretty much all I did was use this NYX mascara, tinted brow mascara, and that's how it is. And this is in the shade Espresso. So guys, this is pretty much all I did. And I think it came out so natural and pretty. Let me try to get a mirror. Why can't I get my life together? OML. Alright, so let me do this brow because it's closer to you guys or whatever. Wait, I think I should zoom you guys in. Meow, 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 meow. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just comb this through the brows. Let me make sure I'm still in frame. Alright. Okay. So I usually just comb this section up. Just because. And so you see I go kind of up and this way, like comb it this way and just throw them that side, like a quick like a swoop or whatever. So while that one is kind of sort of setting, let me do this one. Do the same thing, comb it out this side, swoop, swoop, like that. No big deal. And I was in a rush. I think I put so much right there, but it's no big deal because powder is gonna go over it soon. Yeah, so I was in a rush to go to this wedding, and I mean, I've never been to a wedding that was so short, like the actual service. It started like 1 and ended like at 1:15. I was so late. All right, so after that we're gonna go in with the brow powder, and this one I'm gonna just use for the tail end of my brow. So I'm gonna go in with the dark, with that dark shade. Gee Louise. Okay, so let me get some on my brush and get my little mirror. Am I in focus? Okay. Oh, yeah. And just start filling in the tail end of my brow. This is so quick and simple. I don't know. I'm glad I don't think I came up with it, but I'm glad I came across it. And it was all accidental. Because typically, no, I'm there doing the most to my eyebrows. So I'm kind of glad that this, yeah. So that's pretty much all I did. Let me do the other one. So again, I'm just pretty much shaping out the tail end. I'm not going to the inner part, just the end of the brows, because that's my problem area anyway. I just can't seem to get hairs there, and I've been growing them out since January, and nothing isn't, it's just not working out for me. So I have to accept that I won't be having hairs right there. Bam, we're done. Well, not quite. So of course, if you want to go ahead and clean it up, you can get a concealer or even a foundation shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the foundation just because I don't want my under eyes to be so bright. So I'm gonna use foundation shade and just quickly clean that up. Right, take off the excess, and ooh, let me do this one. I think this one is better. This is the good eye. Alright, so I do go from the inside and just try to shape that up. Wow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See that? Of course, if you want a brighter under eye, you can go ahead and use your concealer. I didn't do that. And you can do the top if you would like. And pretty much that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one and then zoom you guys out. So start from under here, come to the inner part, blend that out. Blend it out, just like that. And that's it. Pretty easy brow. Zoom you guys out. What do you guys think? I think I like this full brow effect, this full excuse me, I like this full brow look. You don't have to go too hard on the eyebrows, you know, this still looks good. I can still wear it this way without makeup, which I did the other day and it looked great. So yeah, well, there you go, my new go-to way how to do my eyebrows. All right, I'm gonna head back to the other video. Bye guys.